Hi, welcome to Copenhagen. Thanks for dropping in. Hope everybody is doing well. Today I am having a look at day 12 of the 2024 Diamond Painting Advent Calendar from Diamond Art Club. So this is it, the final day of the 12-day Advent Calendar from Diamond Art Club. This is not the largest box, but I think a lot of people will be very pleased with it. I'm sure I know what's in here because with the list on the back, there is only one thing that hasn't been shown yet. So I'll open it up as best as I can. And box number 12 is not open. Talk about anticlimax. So we'll try again. There we go. Okay, this time box number 12 is a bag of cover minders. We will have a look. So Diamond Art Club used to supply cover minders in their kits until they switched to the new kit, the new toolkit. We no longer get cover minders and a lot of people miss them. So in the Advent Calendar we get cover minders. So we'll have a look at them individually. So this is the first one. One of Santa's boots. And some holly and berries in the top. So we'll put that one down. The next one is a little wreath. So a little festive Christmas wreath. Put that one down. The next one, is a little Christmas present. And the magnets stick together. And the final one, I like this one best, is a little reindeer, has a little Santa hat on, and a little tree. That's cool, I like that one. So as I said, Diamond Art Club used to supply these in the kits, and I thought I would show for people who, put some light on, get a wee little fly. So for people who don't know what a cover minder is, I will explain. So I'm going to take the little reindeer since it's my favourite, and the little fly is very interested in them as well. So if I get a diamond painting, whoops, knocked the camera. So you may recognise this diamond painting. But if you're going to work on a diamond painting, obviously you would flatten the canvas out before you started it and probably tape the canvas down so it doesn't move. But then you would be peeling the cover back to work on it. So you peel the cover back and it keeps flipping down. So what you do is you get a cover minder, it has two magnets. So we have a magnet glued to the base and we have a loose magnet. So what we do is we put the loose magnet underneath the canvas, we fold the cover back, then we guess where the magnet is, so I need to look again. It's there. So then the magnet sticks to the magnet that's underneath and it holds the cover back. So that's why they're called cover minders. This is the purpose that they were designed for, but in the real world, people just collected them because they were random. You didn't know what you were going to get in the kit, and people quite enjoyed that, the surprise when you open the kit, you don't know what you're going to get. Is it going to be something different? So people collected them, but they got phased out, and you don't get them in the kits anymore. So they've brought some back, especially for Christmas, which is really nice to see. So we'll just pick that up again. So this is day number 12. We have Christmas cover minders. So 4 new ones for my cover minder collection. So that is it. All 12 are now done. I hope you saw some things that you enjoyed. A really good mixture of stuff. Accessories, diamond paintings, small kits for kids, slightly bigger kits for kids that are a little bit older, a nice pen as well. Really good mixture. Really enjoyed doing the unboxings. So that is it. The 12 days advent calendar from Diamond Art Club. So that is it. 12 days of sparkling surprises is over in a few hours. I think the kit was really nice. Very well made packaging. I was quite surprised to see the foam inserts. Just really good quality. I'm sure if someone got that as a surprise gift, they would be absolutely delighted with it before they even opened the box. Very well designed, really nice colours, very festive. I liked it a lot. The contents, again, really good. A nice mixture of things that will suit different people at different levels as well. Some nice accessories, some things that are a little bit different. The 2D Christmas ornament, I haven't seen anything like that before. That was definitely something different, but easy for kids to make, so a nice little memory to hang on the Christmas tree as well. A lot of stuff was, I think, aimed at younger kids, and I really like that, trying to encourage kids to do something creative rather than just sitting watching videos and stuff like that. So yeah, a good mixture. I'm trying to think what my favourite thing was, and I think it was the Christmas tree. The multicoloured Christmas tree, really nice design, really nice colours, and even though it's a small diamond painting, it will look really nice. So they did a very good job with that. Trying to create small diamond paintings that work well is very difficult. So definitely well done with that little Christmas tree. So that is it. The 12 dazzling days are over and we head towards the new year. So quite a few little projects to keep people busy on the way up to Christmas. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the videos and you'd like to see more unboxings, unbaggings, comparisons, accessories, basically anything to do with diamond painting, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification button. I do have a lot of unboxings to come. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and in the meantime, take care, be safe, and wash your hands.